So we're seeing the market open here just after Tesla earnings. Had a bit of a gap up, and the prices have pulled back a bit here. Very next level to the downside is that 60.75, where we were at the close. So we're seeing prices pull back a little bit, looking for that gap to close here. We've had a gap up,
Order submitted.
degree of bearishness, so let's see if we can get this gap close here. So we've got that level down at 60.75.
Order filled.
60.75, so let's put it down at 60.50.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get this gap fill here. All the way down to that level at 60.75. I don't think I've got it marked out on the chart. $7.0 17.06. Apparently, Tesla's earnings came in a little bit weaker than expected, but for some reason the market popped to the high side. Did have Visa earnings as well. So, got 32.75. Uh, 17.793.25. Let's see. Is that the 60-minute? How do I link drawings? Don't quite know how to link drawings on a Ninja Trader. I'm looking for that move down to that 60.75. We saw prices test that level, pulled back a bit. We've had this gap up, we've had a bearish candle again. Looking for that gap to be filled right there. Where am I short? I think I'm short at about 70 or so. Maybe 69. Who knows? Maybe I should have took the trade in the direction of the gap. Who knows? So seems I'm short at 69.50. Let's go for 10 points, shall we? Imagine that. Imagine that. This gap fill seemed inevitable. Down to that 60, but prices are turning around here. Amazing. Maybe that was seen as a gap fill. So I was looking for 10 points. He's actually gone 10 points against me now. So we've closed bullish, we've closed above the highs. I wonder. What does this look like on the daily chart? So on the daily chart we've gapped up. Doesn't mean that all gaps are going to be filled. Certainly doesn't. Still think it'll come down to that 60. So this is just me taking the short here. Despite the strong move up of Tesla's earnings, thought we'd close this. It's a bit of a gap that's developed since the market closed around like 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's have a look here. About 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but try not to be dogmatic with the trade ideas, especially after what happened in the earlier trading sessions. Previous bar closed around 08, so just down here. Not expecting that to be taken out, but definitely a move back down to where we closed at about 5 p.m. Definitely looking at that. So we're slightly back in profit at the moment. But anything can still happen here. This market could easily turn around and rally towards a close in the next 50 seconds or so. So definitely not counting our chickens. For these eggs hatch. See, this is what I mean. 29 seconds to go. See, prices came down into profit slightly. It's pulled back. So again, looking for this initial test lower. Down towards Probably need to see a break of 67, which are these lows just here. So move down to that 66.50. As long as those lows stay intact, we are putting in higher lows. Three minutes in and there's a distinct lack of follow through here, especially after earnings. I would have expected to see more volatility here, just not seeing it. Let's see what we do here. This candle. See if we get some follow through here. So we've had our second bearish candle. Let's see if we can see some more selling here through the 67s. See if we can get a pickup in selling. This market just doesn't seem to want to sell down here. And there we go. Easily picked up 10 points to the upside, so not sure why we're struggling to pick up 10 points to the downside here from my entry. Well, 3 points. So we retested the open price. We've seen that selling come off that level, so definitely looking to see if we can pick up these 10 points here. So that's 67. $65, so we've gone through at 67 there. See what we can do here. Buyers are coming back in. There we go, 64. Just want to see a pickup in pace here to the downside. 350 at the moment. Imagine the spreads are pretty big. Right, 3 seconds to go. Just had that move up, but need to move my microphone here. I'd like for there to be some immediate follow through here, but for whatever reason this is holding up here. It's just so easily after I got in, it went 10 points against me, and now just to get the 10 points in my favor seems like the most difficult thing in the world. So again, we're just basing it off the fact that we opened first bar here, closed bearish, second bar closed bearish, looking for price to come down towards that 60.75. In fact, got my order set at 59.50, but our prices are at the moment, it's not giving me much confidence that we're going to come down and close that gap from the 5 p.m. close, not quite the 4 p.m. close, but the 5 p.m. close. Because we didn't gap and follow through, we gapped and sold, so I expected prices to come down, and if it's going to continue up, but this market's proven itself problematic at the moment. 37 seconds to go, and it looks like we're going to close bullish here. "22 seconds to go. "13 seconds to go. Just at the close there, we closed bearish. I'm not sure why, I just can't simply get a candle like this one, but to the downside. Do you know we've had that earnings catalyst? Prices have pulled back here to the 9 and pretty much stalled here. Pretty much stalled. Do have to be aware of this candle with the wick. Could see prices reverse with this candle with the wick. Smaller candles. Tell you what. So it'll be a buy.
Order submitted.
Actually trading without the VIX here. Let's see. Do we close above 70? Seven seconds to go. Again, this candle is a bullish sign. So we've got a new candle. It's not a good sign for this short here. It's not a good sign. Because we've had the push up, close back bullish. So it's going to get to 73. Let's see. I think I'm going to have to leave it here because I've got to go to bed. So let's see, where am I in? 69.50. Oh, I need to plug in a battery. Did say that candle's a potential bullish sign. Could get out here for 2 points. So I've come back here, thinking shorts again. And thing is, I don't want to log out now, because if I log back in and the market's up like 200 odd points when I get up during the European session, I'm going to be super annoyed. Super annoyed. But I could take a 3-point loss now and avoid all of that. Maybe the trade was off the open. So here I was looking for prices to pull back, fill that gap. Instead, prices have turned around again, start to head to the upside. Now me going short is in, so we had a Visa and Tesla earnings here. So me going short is actually counter to that. You know what? I'm just going to take this loss.
Order filled.
Just reverse the position and take
Order cancelled.
took that loss.
Order cancelled.
Took that 6-point loss. I'll be super annoyed now if this market turned around. I'll be really annoyed. So we're long. Let's see, 35, 610. So around about here.
Order submitted.
Order on there. In a minute 75.
Order submitted.
Yeah, so we'll come back and see where we are during the European session. If we are above that 1250. Who knows? Who knows? So that'll end this this first session here. We'll see how we turn up in the European session, and we'll look for other opportunities as well.